Hi everyone, welcome to Like.Mother.Like.Daughter. I'm Twyla. Got a surprise for you today. We're having a giveaway. Surprise! So I have a couple of months of my Ivory Clasp subscription to open here, and I thought, you know what, I have enough handbags right now, so I'm gonna share. Let's go through the last 2 months of my Ivory Clasp subscription, show you what I got, and then we'll talk about this at the end, okay? So Ivory Clasp, if you don't know, it is a designer handbag subscription. It is either monthly or quarterly, and it's $49. So it's $49 a month or $49 quarterly. And you get to pick out your own bag, or you can let them pick your bag based on a customized lengthy profile that you have to fill out, which is really good. It kind of helps with what you like in your bag. So this says, "Don't be like the rest of them, darling, Coco Chanel." So this is one of the bags, and I did select these. So I fill out a profile, and they will send you, when it's time for your subscription to renew, they will send you a link and it'll say, hey, if you want to pick out your bag, go here. Here are your selections. If you don't do anything, and they will select it for you. So I click on the link, then I went there and I picked out my bag. So this is the first bag. Actually, let's see. I think this is what I picked out from May. And this is from Republic of Aces, and it has a value of $118. So we'll go ahead and open this up. So this is the handbag that I picked out for May. I get mine quarterly, and this is a camel color. It does have the shoulder bag, the shoulder strap, so if you wanted to carry it on your shoulder you could, but it is this nice little faux croco print, I guess you would call it. And this is just, you could put this over a bag. If you were traveling somewhere, you could slip this over. It's got a little sling there, and then on the front it has this nice little pocket for you to put your phone. It has a nice, I'm going to leave all these on there. It has a nice zipper, and then the inside is black and white. It has no pockets over here, but over here it does have one little zipper pocket over here on this side. So this is just a nice little mini, I guess, tote, satchel maybe that you would call it. It has a nice little shoulder bag, and I think this is a beautiful bag. So there is the subscription, the bag that I picked out from May. Now, if you're interested in this, I will leave the link for you below. It is $49. I do have a coupon code for 20% off your purchase, but if you use that, I do get 20% off my next bag. Now, if you are not cool with that kind of thing, I totally get it. You can go to Ivory Clasp and check them out yourself. It says the same thing. Don't be like the rest of them. But this is my August bag that I also picked out, and this is from the With 212 company, which a lot of their bags are Republic of Aces or With 212, I've noticed. Ooh, this is a really nice bag. This is also valued at $118, and it is the Almond Essex satchel. This is a huge bag. It has a zipper on the back. It goes down all the way, and it has gold embellishments. Toasted almond is the color. It does have magnetic closures to keep the straps down. It also has a shoulder strap. It comes with a dust cover for your bag so that when you're not using it, if you use bags seasonally, you can store this in this little dust cover bag. And here is the inside of it. It is nice and huge on the inside. It does have 2 pockets here, and then on the other side it does have a zipper pocket right there, which is quite nice. I like that it has the black and white stripe on the inside, but that is a huge bag. A little bit lighter in color than the camel tote, and quite a larger bag, as you can see. So both valued at $118. $49 is all I paid for them. But here's the surprise. I'm going to give away one of these bags to you. So I will have a giveaway. You will enter through the link below. You have to be 18. That's another rule. I can't be sending prizes to people who are underage. You do have to be a YouTube subscriber of my channel. So if you're not already, please go ahead and subscribe now so you can enter this contest. And this isn't sponsored. They don't even know who I am. Ivory Clasp but I have enough bags, and I've given some away as gifts, and you know what? This makes a really great gift, and I thought, why don't I gift it to one of my subscribers? You guys are so great to me. You're so kind in your comments, and I really appreciate that. So I will put the link below. You'll enter through Gleam. The only other rule is comment something positive down below. It could be a quote of the day. It could be something positive that happened to you. It could be anything, but make sure it's positive. And I don't necessarily mean towards me. You do not need to make a positive comment towards me or towards our channel. Just a general positive comment. I think if we are always thinking happy thoughts, good and positive thoughts, then it will emanate through us every day. And so that's what I want to do on this channel. Sometimes we have bad days. Everybody does. But I'm really happy, and I just want to share that with you. So follow those 3 simple rules. I'll link them down below, and what's going to happen is you're going to get your choice. The Whiff 212 Essex Satchel in Almond, or the Krakow Embossed Republic of Aces Tote in Camel. Those are your choices. I'll also link these below so you can have those choices when you do win. So we'll run this for a couple of weeks. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great day. Think positive thoughts. Come back and see me again. Bye.